did anyone else's 99-cent store switch up to a Dollar Tree? And of course, we all know most, at least if not all, Dollar Trees are smaller than 99-cent stores. So I was kind of curious. So I went inside, took a few shots for you guys. They already have Christmas things out and they are fully stocked. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like they have so many of the similar items, but they're like fully stocked. So this is probably going to be my new go-to Dollar Tree. Hopefully with the space they have though, they add new products in. Maybe that's their goal. I'm not sure. Did your 99-cent store switch up to a Dollar Tree as well? Let me know down in the comments. I'm curious if this is kind of like everywhere. But do you see how massive this store is? Definitely different than a typical Dollar Tree. And I'm taking you down to another aisle here and I'm going to grab the bowls with you guys. But do you see what I mean? It's like multiples of the same items. So you're probably always going to find what you need. I'll keep checking it out. Hopefully they bring in new items. Now let's grab these bowls and let's get on going. Here we have the set of blue and set of pink. What I'm going to do is paint them on the inside with white. That way they're more like less transparent, if that makes sense. And in the middle there, I just have grout. I want to add some weight to this project. So you can add rocks, sand, whatever you have on hand. I had grout, so that's a little mixture that you see in the middle there. But I'm going to add E6000 and I'm going to go ahead and close this bowl together. So here's the pink bowl and I did the same thing to the blue bowl. And I grabbed this other set of bowls in the back there, which I already painted purple, and that's the one that has a little bit of pattern to it. You'll see in a sec here how it looks. I'm going to have a closer footage, but once again I'm adding E6000. I'm going to put the blue one on here. But before I forget to mention, if you love videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe so you're notified when I upload my next video. Next one here, I'm putting this glass orb together and the plastic bowls, but for the plastic bowls I will be adding Mod Podge and some snow in there, and that's going to give it like the snowy effect. And for the orb, the glass one, I did went ahead and spray painted it green and added some gems to it. You'll see it in a sec here. So I'm basically putting all the pieces together at the end. So here's my bowl, it's ready. I'm going to add some light on the top there, and the green one is ready as well. So we're going to put those over each other, and I did add some gems to it. As you can see, a few ornaments to the entire pillar, and you're good to go. You can definitely elf theme this if you'd like. Just take the idea and make your own, make it fit your style. But I definitely love the way it turned out. But I want to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let us know what you think. Might be adding a few different items to it or making a separate one that's like more red and green and traditional colors. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Till next time, bye.